Oh, hi there. I'm on my way to the station. I'm going on a train trip. Hey, do you want to come along? Oh, great. Well, let's go. We don't want to miss the train. Eddie's Wonder Show presents 5 amazing facts about trains, featuring Eric the engineer. Well, here it comes. How exciting. Time to get on board. Oh, this is so much fun. I love travelling by train and learning about trains. My friend, Eric the engineer, knows so much about trains. Hey, Eric, do you have 5 amazing facts about trains for us?
I sure do. Did you know the word train comes from the French verb which means to drag or pull along? The earliest trains were pulled by horses. Later trains used steam power, diesel-electric power, and electric power. The longest straight train track is in Australia. It crosses the Nullarbor Plain for almost 500 kilometers without a single bend.
Whoa! That's incredible! Hey, Eric, what was that very strange race that you told me about that happened way back in 1830?
A horse was in a race with a steam engine. The horse won. Today, if the fastest horse raced against the fastest train, the train would win for sure. Trains in Japan are basically always on time.
Well, thanks, Eric. That was terrific. Well, everybody, let's enjoy the rest of our train trip. Thanks for joining me.
And now, this.
I can do it! I can do